Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
If a pop-up appears, do not click any buttons inside it. Close the offending tab immediately and stay on a safe page. On Mac OS, force quit Safari with Command-Option Escape if tabs refuse to close. On iPhone or iPad, swipe up and remove Safari from the app switcher to force close. Avoid entering credentials or calling numbers shown in pop-ups. Keep calm and proceed to clean up steps to remove persistent redirects and unwanted pop-ups. Open Safari Preferences or Settings and clear history and website data to remove trackers. Go to Safari Preferences, choose Extensions, and disable any unknown or suspicious extensions immediately. In Safari Settings, enable block pop-ups and prevent cross-site tracking for stronger protection. On iOS, go to Settings, Safari, and toggle block pop-ups and fraudulent website warning on. Restart Safari after making changes to ensure settings apply and to stop recurring redirect behavior. Check Safari homepage and remove any suspicious custom URL or search engine settings. Inspect profiles and device management on iOS and remove unknown configuration profiles immediately. If redirects persist, run an up-to-date malware scan on Mac OS with a reputable scanner to remove adware. Update Safari and your OS to the latest versions, for example Mac OS 12 or iOS 17, and enable automatic updates to patch vulnerabilities. Consider changing passwords if you entered credentials during a pop-up incident.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.